Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 194. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we're just missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 8. 8 here, so 2, 7, and no help here, 2, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering here and a 5 covering here, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this top row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 8, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9, and that 9 makes this our 2. This 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.